Right, book bans have been back in the headlines following Knox County Schools' decision to ban and then unban Alex Haley's historical novel Roots. 6 News anchor Lori Tucker takes questions about the debate to legal analyst Greg Isaacs in this week's Ask Isaacs.
Greg, glad you're here.
Lori, it's good to be here.
Knox County Schools decided to remove and then return Roots. School system administrators say they're really in new territory, getting varying opinions on how to follow a state law and having to essentially put a book on trial. How do you do that?
Lori, we are putting books on trial in Knox County in 2022. The Tennessee legislature passed the Age Appropriate Materials Act, and basically 3 very broad standards. Does a book lack serious artistic, literary, or historical value? Is it patently offensive? Or is it appealing to someone's prurient interest? That was amended in 2024 to make it even broader. You could ban books that contain nudity, sadomasochistic acts, sex acts, excessive violence. In the last 2 years, we have reviewed 7,000 books, banned 124.
And Roots is the only book that has been returned to the shelves.
Roots is the only one that the powers that be said did not receive a fair trial and got back. And let's talk about Roots. Award-winning author Alex Haley, Knoxville was his adopted hometown.
We have a statue.
We have a statue erected in his honor. Actually donated his notes when he was writing Roots to the University of Tennessee, and the book was banned. And here's the really interesting part: when you ban a book, the complaint is anonymous, and typically you provide a snippet or a transcript of a page or a passage. There's no context under the 2024 amendment.
We don't know who the complainant is here.
No.
And there's a committee of 3 that reviews this stuff.
But here's the main test. For a statute to be constitutional, it has to put a reasonable person on notice of the prohibited conduct. And, you know, educators, lawmakers are all in agreement that this is a very nebulous standard. So it's not clear what books should be banned, could be banned, and what the law is. So
it's pretty subjective.
It's pretty subjective. I think when the legislature returns to Nashville, we had Roots back in the library, and I would not be surprised if this statute was not modified or repealed.
Outright repealed. All right, we hear there may be some motion with that, so we'll have to keep up with it.
Let's do.
Greg, thank you.
We'll read about it.
And if you have a legal question, send it to AskIsaacs@WATE.com. Remember, we talk with Greg every Wednesday at 5:30 right here on Channel 6. And to see the deeper conversation with State Representative Gloria Johnson, you can watch right now on our free WATE 6 Plus app.